This one is a very, very special altered book journal. It's my latest one. So that's always the one I love. But anyway, I love all of them really. It's got a little cut down belt closure with pretty flowers on it. And it's got a handmade cloth cover. Inside, it has tons of beautiful illustrations. And these illustrations take watercolour paint. And I've tried it and I know that they work. So the idea is that somebody could have a lot of fun and pleasure colouring these in and painting them. Plus, I've put mixed media watercolour paper around each signature. So you've got all these pages you can put original art on. They're all sewn in. So this would be a very special gift. It's certainly one of a kind. Very special gift for an art journaler, I would say, especially somebody who loves watercolours. And here are some spare drawings. And I think they're actually, they might be descriptions as well. Because each page, here we go, that faces, this page will tell you all about that shrub. So I guess this would be a book you could give a gardener as well. If you know a gardener who also likes to journal, this is the present for them. But anyway, I was really excited when I found this book. And this is the original cover. I'll send that with it. Yeah, and again, I'm hoping that it's going to bring a lot of pleasure to somebody. Who loves to journal. I certainly enjoyed making it.